What is the process for a case to reach the Supreme Court? Imagine a legal issue that has sparked debate and requires a final resolution. The journey of a case to the highest court in the land is intricate and involves several key steps. Initially, most cases begin in lower courts, which include trial courts and appellate courts. A case must first be heard and decided at these levels before it can be considered for the Supreme Court. Once a case has been decided in a lower court, the losing party may seek to appeal the decision. This appeal is typically made to an appellate court, which reviews the case for legal errors. If the appellate court upholds the lower court's decision, the losing party may then decide to petition the Supreme Court for a review. This petition is known as a writ of certiorari, which is a formal request for the Supreme Court to examine the case. The Supreme Court receives thousands of petitions each year, but it only hears a small percentage of them. The justices review these petitions during their conference sessions. To decide whether to grant a writ of certiorari, the justices consider several factors, including the importance of the legal issues involved, the need to resolve conflicting decisions from lower courts, and the broader implications of the case. If the Supreme Court grants the writ, the case is scheduled for oral arguments. Both parties present their arguments before the justices, who may ask questions to clarify points of law. Following these arguments, the justices deliberate and eventually issue a decision. This decision is typically accompanied by a written opinion that explains the court's reasoning and sets a legal precedent. In some instances, the Supreme Court may also choose to hear cases that originate from state courts, particularly when they involve significant federal questions. The entire process can take several months, and the decisions made by the Supreme Court can have lasting impacts on American law and society. Understanding this process sheds light on how the highest court in the United States plays a crucial role in interpreting the law and ensuring justice. Each step is vital in determining which cases ultimately receive the attention of the Supreme Court and how legal principles are shaped for future generations.